Let us compute this irrational function limit. Consider the limit as x goes to minus 2 of the fraction square root of 38, plus x minus 6, over the quantity 2, plus x. We notice that this function has a radical term. In order to simplify the radical term, we need to use the conjugate expression. As a result, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of square root of 38, plus x minus 6, which is square root of 38, plus x plus 6. Then we have to expand and simplify the whole expression using basic algebraic techniques. The problem becomes, limit as x goes to minus 2 of the quantity 2, plus x over the quantity 12, plus 6x plus 2, plus x times the square root of 38, plus x. Then we factorize the numerator and denominator in order to find a potential common factor, then simplify the common factor. Thus, when we plug minus 2 in the new expression, we find out that the limit is 1 over 12.